We do have the pound recovering today. Our currency is up by 2% in one day, which is just crazy. Currencies are not supposed to move, like low cap cryptocurrency altcoins, fluctuating wildly in price on a day-to-day, but there we go. It turns out that the pound is more volatile than Bitcoin at the moment. And the reason the pound is acting like this is because of the crazy inflationary stimulus package announced by Liz Truss and our new Chancellor Kwasi Kwarteng. They have announced that they are going to be printing like 60 billion minimum in order to fund and pay for tax cuts, which we shouldn't be doing if we're broke. Right? And that's exactly what we are. This country is completely broke. We are in so much debt. We now have the problem of inflation. It makes all prices go up as we continue printing more money. And we're basically throwing fuel on the already huge fire. So let's hope that they do something about this. However, we can see when the pound collapsed the other week, causing the Bank of England to basically bail out the pension funds, which did really go bust, guys. So everyone in the UK who does have a pension, all their money did disappear and evaporate into thin air overnight. So it was about 6 times worse than the financial crisis of 2008. But this time they had a backup plan, right? The Bank of England has quantitative easing, and that is money printing, or essentially bailing out the bond market, because the pension funds started selling off bonds. And if we do check out the UK bond market just over here, we can see we do have in UK 10-year interest rate going up ridiculous amounts. As you can see, it hit 4.5, 4.6 actually. I think that was that earlier today or yesterday, and now it is coming down again here. However, bonds are threatening this long-term uptrend. If you look on the long term here, this is the 10-year UK bond. As you can see, it is rising up now, turning into a bull market. And this is the 10-year US bond doing the exact same thing. And this does mean that people's houses will get repossessed by the bank, because mortgages will not just double, not just triple, guys, but in some cases quadruple in the amount that people with variable rate mortgages, their monthly payments will go up to hundreds, in some cases even into the thousands of pounds. It is absolutely crazy.